Hello and welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah, and here at Sheet Leveler, we're all about making your experience with Excel quick, simple, and even enjoyable. Have you ever wanted to give your eyes a break by switching Excel to dark mode? Or maybe you just prefer the sleek look of darker colours? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through how to enable dark mode in Excel. We'll cover how to make the ribbon, headers, and interface dark, and even how to turn the entire worksheet black. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. To begin, let's darken the ribbon, the row and column headers, and all the other interface elements in Excel. First, click on File in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and select Account from the menu on the left-hand side. Now, look for the Office Theme drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see several themes to choose from. Black. A true dark mode for a sleek, modern look. Dark grey. A softer option for a darker interface. White. A classic, bright theme for a clean and simple look. Colourful. Adds a splash of colour to your Excel interface. For this tutorial, we'll go with black. And voila! The Excel interface is now in dark mode. Important notes about changing the Office theme. Before we move on, here are two things to keep in mind. Changing the Office theme will apply to all Microsoft apps on your computer, not just Excel. So, apps like Word and PowerPoint will also switch to the new theme. This change affects only the interface, not the worksheet itself. Your spreadsheet cells will still have a white background unless you take additional steps. Want the worksheet itself to have a dark background? No problem. We can make that happen with just a few clicks. Go to the Page Layout tab at the top of the screen. Click on Background. A new window will pop up, asking you to choose a picture to use as the background. If you want a black worksheet, you'll need to find a plain black image to use as the background. You can also upload a custom image or photograph if you prefer something more personalised. Let's stick with a plain black background for now. Use the Bing image search option, or upload a picture from your computer or OneDrive. In the search bar, type black and press enter. Select one of the plain black images from the results and click Insert. And that's it. The worksheet background is now black. Adjusting the font colour. Here's a quick heads up. If you try typing something into a cell now, you won't see it. Why? Because Excel's default font colour is black, which blends into your new black background. Here's how to fix that. Click the Select All button in the upper left corner of your worksheet, the little triangle where the row and column headers meet. Go to the Home tab and find the Font section. Change the font colour to white. Now try typing something into a cell. If you ever want to switch back to a white background or a different Office theme, it's just as simple. Go to the Page Layout tab again and click Delete Background. This removes the black background from the worksheet. Return to the File menu, click on Account, and pick your preferred theme under Office Theme. Don't forget to change the font colour back to automatic black so the text is visible again on a white background. That's it. You're all set. Whether you're customizing Excel for style, comfort, or both, dark mode and worksheet backgrounds can make a big difference. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out more tutorials from Sheet Leveler. We're here to help you master Excel in the easiest way possible. New to Sheet Leveler? Hit that subscribe button and join the Sheet Leveler community. We'd love to have you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.